The hallowed grounds of Assen have witnessed countless historic shifts in Grand Prix racing, but the shockwaves sent through the 2026 Dutch GP paddock might just redefine the foundation of the sport. In a move that fundamentally rewrites the DNA of the lightweight class, Yamaha and Dorna have officially confirmed that the Iwata manufacturer will become the sole supplier for the Moto3 World Championship from 2028 to 2033. This isn't merely a changing of the guard. It is the dawn of a homogenized era. By eliminating the fierce manufacturer rivalries that have historically defined the entry-level tier, MotoGP is placing a massive bet on a single-make future to nurture its next generation of superstars. At the mechanical heart of this revolution lies a deeply revised prototype derived from Yamaha's production-based CP2 platform. The goal is clear: to achieve a superior power-to-weight ratio while introducing a physically larger motorcycle. For years, the paddock has debated the severe physical constraints of the current Moto3 machines, which often penalize taller, modern athletes. Yamaha's solution aims to bridge the ergonomic gap, preparing riders more realistically for the brutal physicality of Moto2 and MotoGP. Yet, a critical question lingers in the exhaust fumes. Will this supersized, production-derived approach dilute the pure, razor-edge corner speed and featherweight agility that made Moto3 the most breathtaking racing spectacle on two wheels? Yamaha is wisely playing the long game, resisting the urge to rush this paradigm shift. While the curtain was raised here in the Netherlands, the actual motorcycle remains hidden in the shadows, slated for a progressive rollout. Private testing is expected to begin later this year, with the first public track appearances scheduled for the autumn of 2027 before the official 2028 racing debut. This extensive gestation period gives Yamaha's engineers the breathing room they desperately need to refine a machine that must be simultaneously bulletproof in its reliability and exhilarating in its racecraft. They are not just building a bike, they are engineering the benchmark for a new competitive ecosystem. The ripples of this Iwata monopoly will extend far beyond the Grand Prix paddock. By 2029, the FIM Moto3 Junior World Championship will adopt a slightly detuned iteration of the same Yamaha prototype, and murmurs of regional championships following suit are already growing louder. On paper, this creates a beautifully seamless escalator for young talent, a standardized machinery ladder that supposedly isolates pure rider skill from the variables of factory budgets and engineering disparity. However, purists will undoubtedly mourn the loss of technical diversity in the junior ranks. The romantic era of bespoke chassis builders and rival engine philosophies fighting tooth and nail for junior supremacy is being quietly ushered out the back door. The success of this monumental gamble rests entirely on execution. Yamaha's Paolo Pavesio and Dorna's Ezpeleta champion this move as a triumph of accessibility, engineering efficiency, and global talent development.